Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TechieTube. So today in this video we will see downloading and installing Sublime Text editor. So just wait and watch. Let's begin. Open your browser, either you're using Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and just type for Sublime editor. And if you're using Windows, then go with this website. Otherwise you can use this link for Linux if you're using Linux operating system. So now I'm showing you how to download and install it on Windows 11. So we will go with this link and see this download for Windows button is here. Click on it. So the download process has been started here. You can see easily by opening the download tab by pressing just a shortcut key Ctrl and J, and just you can see this here. All your download history is here. So just wait for a while until it download. Also I have uploaded the video of how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 as well Windows 10, so you can go to my channel and see that video. Also I have uploaded a video on Notepad++, that how to download and install, so you can just watch that video and follow the same procedure for downloading and installing and start your coding on that platform, that editors. So it depends on your internet connection speed, that how much speed is there. I think there is an internet connection if your internet connection is low, that will take a time depending on the file size. Okay, just wait. While downloading, if your download process has been stuck or not able to download, you can also try this direct link. If the first one process failed, you can try this direct link. Okay, So our setup file has been downloaded here. Just double click on it and hit the yes button. Click on next, next, and click the install button now. Now click on the finish button and just launch it. Search for Sublime Text Editor and click on the hint button. So see, your code editor is in front of you. Now you can start coding here of any language, HTML, JS, whatever you prefer for web development. So just write your code here. I'm writing simple basic code in HTML so I can help you that how it works. Now just save the file wherever you want. So after saving the file, you can see this HTML structure you can see here. Okay, so just close it, go to the file where you have saved sublime.html, just run this and see your HTML code run here. Okay, so I hope this video help you a lot for download and install the Sublime Text Editor on your Windows 11. So thank you for watching, and just like and share if you like this video, if this video help you a lot. So let's see in our next video. Thank you.